Meet the world's first AI-linked soft toys made for worry-free and easy parenting. They are the cutest toys. This is my baby seeing them for the first time. We have loved the Pixsee Play Monitor and Pixsee Friends. It's an innovative play and care solution that provides safety, memories, and child development nurturing through music and soft toys. The best part is there's no electrical, battery, plastic, or metal parts for her to play with. With its advanced object recognition technology, it recognizes each Pixsee friend and will play a dedicated, curated playlist once it identifies a Pixsee friend. My biggest worry with baby monitors is safety and privacy, and Pixsee Play has an advanced security crypto processor that keeps your personal information and files safe from cyber threats. You're also able to store your priceless baby camera pictures and videos in a commercial-grade Azure cloud storage solution. Also, the video and audio specs are unlike any other monitor I've ever used. I love that it provides me peace of mind with its multiple smart detection features for my baby's sleep and safety. One of my favorite features is that it has a cry decoder that deciphers the reason for crying. It will then send me a notification and autoplay melodies to soothe her crying. The quality is so good. I can tell these toys are going to last and be passed down from child to child for years to come. Check it out on Pixsee Shop and Amazon and get yours now.